It's interesting that if we see Akhilesh Yadav's journey, it is very similar to the journey in some ways like Tejasvi Yadav in Bihar. And in certain respects, both were sons of very strong and senior leaders with a national footprint. And both were made chief ministers because their party won, and obviously their fathers headed the party. But they've come a long way in kind of from that being sons of Mulayam Singh Yadav and Lalu Prasad Yadav to being Akhilesh Yadav and Tejasvi Yadav. So, did you, when you were writing the book, see that evolution, or did you actually think that they would be able to? Because those were very big shoes to fit in.
Yes, big shoes to fit in, and also little difference. Tejasvi was Lalu's favorite son. There was no, thing, hesitation as to who Lalu would see as his heir. Mulayam did not want to make Akhilesh his heir. He was in fact competing with Akhilesh for the throne finally, for the presidentship of the Samajwadi Party, when Akhilesh had to literally, snatch away his legacy and fight for it and do that coup that he did on the eve of, I think, the 2017 elections, if I'm not wrong, the assembly elections. So in that sense, Akhilesh had to fight for his, position as Mulayam's heir apparent. He's also taken Mulayam's legacy and refashioned it. So has Tejasvi Yadav, from the Muslim Yadav vote bank, he's expanded it. Akhilesh Yadav, actually, even when he was fighting the election as the party president, state president, I remember he was the only one who had a BlackBerry. Now, Mulayam Singh had the whole, they have this very Luddite point of view. Computers are bad, and English speaking is bad. And, in the Samajwadi Party office, even in that time, this is 2012, there was not a single computer, and there was Akhilesh with his BlackBerry, and he was answering messages on BBM. And in fact, I was with him on his Rath Yatra when he took the first Rath Yatra, and he's pointing to the mobile phones just coming in, and he's saying, "Dekho, wo Samsung ka camera hai," and he's knew all the new gadgets. He's saying, "Ab party workers ke paas bhi cameras aa gaye hain." Then when he took over the thing, he actually refashioned the party office. Computers came in. Today, when I went into the party office, there were printouts, computers, and normal, like there was a conference room. Early on, there was even a library with books. Some of the books were even in English. So all this was not there in the Mulayam Singh Yadav Samajwadi Party. In fact, when Akhilesh became CM, he distributed laptops with Mulayam Singh Yadav's face as the screensaver. And Mulayam Singh Yadav had a fit, and he said, "Mera face mat use karo computer pe," because he was still against technology and against all this. But Akhilesh had to fight a mindset. He also had to fight the image of the Samajwadi Party as a Gundas party.